The infrastructure play nobody saw coming. If you've been watching the AI space, you've probably seen stocks move fast. But few have moved like IREN. 473% in 1 year. That's not a typo. IREN Limited builds and operates large-scale data centers powered by renewable energy, the backbone of modern AI. They made a bold pivot out of Bitcoin mining into AI infrastructure, and the market has been paying attention. The stock currently sits around $42, with analysts pricing a target of $81, nearly double from here. Now let's talk numbers, because this is where it gets interesting. Revenue is growing. Sales are up 123% year over year on a trailing 12-month basis. That's not gradual growth, that's a company catching fire. EPS next year is projected to grow 37%, with a 5-year EPS growth estimate of 76%. The market is pricing an aggressive expansion, and so far, the company is delivering. Their gross margin is 27%, solid for a capital-intensive infrastructure business. But operating margin is still negative, sitting at minus 13.8%. That tells you this company is in full investment mode. Spending now to capture market share later. PEG ratio? 0.75. For a company growing this fast, that's a signal that growth may not be fully priced in yet. The performance numbers are hard to ignore. Up 473% over the past year. Up 1,349% over 3 years. YTD already up 12.4%. Short interest is elevated at over 51 million shares, meaning there's still a crowd betting against this. That's fuel for further volatility in either direction. Institutional ownership sits at 47%, and insiders own nearly 10% of the company. When insiders hold meaningful stakes, they're not just drawing a paycheck. They're tied to the same outcome you are. These are investors positioning for long-term AI infrastructure demand, not short-term trades. Let's be honest. This is a high beta, high volatility name. Beta is 4.23, meaning when the market moves, IREN moves 4 times harder. It's been up nearly 729% from its 52-week low, but it's also sitting 44% below its 52-week high. Quarterly EPS came in with a minus 714% surprise. This company is still burning cash to build. That's the trade-off. IREN isn't a sure thing. It's a bet on the future of AI infrastructure. The picks and shovels play for the next decade of compute demand. Explosive growth, institutional backing, renewable energy moat, and a stock price that still hasn't caught up to analyst targets. In today's market, it's not just about what a company is, it's about what investors believe it can become. Do your research. Understand the risk, but don't sleep on the opportunity. This is not financial advice. All data sourced from public market information.